Drawing class. First make two line, okay, then make up one small line and joint like this, okay, then here make like this line, okay, then make circle, here also circle, small circle, here also small circle, then join these two line, okay, here make half circle, here make like this circle, here also like this, okay, then make straight line, two line, here grass, okay, then make two line like this, tree, here also two line, tree, circle like this, here two line, okay, okay, now color, here put sky blue, first sky blue, then put here yellow color, little bit here yellow and black, this, and light green, dark green, here brown color, black line, here also same light green, dark green, brown color, here black line, orange color, here orange line, orange, sky blue, inside sky blue line, red, green skin color, here black, here black color, sky blue, here black color, sky blue, here black line, road gray color, yellow, black, yellow and light green. Okay, thank you.